that cost? Is the contractor pushing to do the work and you don't want to fund the cost?
He just said. With music on I Dream, I Smile, I Laugh, I Cry. It's theatrical in performance and in arrangement. And it's really started.
Thank you, bud. Accident.
Accident.
I'm a large man. I don't know how big you are, Christine. I've never met you in person. I guess I have.
Yeah, we have, but I'm like 5'4".
Okay, so you wouldn't want a friend that's bigger than your head.
No.
No, but me, it's small portion of my cheek structure.
Oh.
It's like...
Well, originally Trudeau wanted all 25,000 refugees in by the end of the year, and it became quickly apparent that was a bit too much to ask. So it is being extended.
Get a hard dick from the shit now, stick it in. I ain't never giving in again. Caution to the wing pump, listen to the wing pump.
She's an acclaimed novelist. She wrote an essay. When she wrote this, for all of her success, she felt that it was a
people would have liked, but the history of Orlando is that you, as well as most other places, you make the investment in the infrastructure and the
If I can play, anybody can play.
Guitar instruction guy, a friend of the show from Shark Tank.